Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I am showing you exactly how to add your GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to show off your coding projects to recruiters, so let's get right to it. First, you need to navigate to your LinkedIn profile. Go to the LinkedIn homepage and click on your profile picture or your name at the very top of the screen. Once your main profile page loads, look for the button near the top that says Add Profile Section and click on it. Next, a menu will pop up with a few different categories. You need to look for the Recommended section and click to expand it. From that list, select the option that says Add Featured. This will open up the featured section of your profile, which is designed to highlight your best work and important external sites. Then, look for the small plus icon in this new featured menu and click on it. Select the option to add a link from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear on your screen. This is where you need to paste the exact web address of your GitHub profile. Once you have pasted the address in, simply click the Add button. Finally, after adding the address, LinkedIn will give you the option to customize how the link appears on your page. You can type in a custom title like GitHub Portfolio and add a brief description of what kind of repositories you usually work on. Once everything looks good, click the Save button. You can then go back to your main profile page to confirm that your new GitHub link is proudly displayed right there in your featured section. And that is it. Your professional network is now officially connected to your coding portfolio. If this quick guide helped you update your profile today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.